Hello friends, let's get this trending Instagram anime cartoon effect. We are creating this in 3 steps. First step is to open the ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the only one we can do this. Now go to and select the photo which you want to do, the cartoon version of yourself. I'm here selecting my photo. You can check. Yeah, this one is my photo and I'm adding a prompt which was given in the description. So don't worry. I have mentioned it in description. So now add it to the ChatGPT and give it to it. It will take some time. Sometimes it will take very much time. So don't worry, it will give you photo. Yeah, we got the photo. Now tap on the photo and save the photo. While saving also it will take some time. Don't worry, it will give you the accurate photo only. Now after saving this, we have to go to another application. Second application which is Photo Room. So don't worry, I have given the link of this application also in the description. We will create a detailed video on Photo Room, but for now we will go to just create a normal transparent video. Now tap this and we will get this. After saving this, tap on the photo and you will get a share option. From there you can save your photo. After saving this, you have a third step, PicsArt. I think everybody knows the PicsArt, but then also I have mentioned the link in the description of this app also. Now open the PicsArt. Everybody knows about PicsArt, how to edit photo. Just go and select the photo, whatever you want to add, and go to the photos. Select the photo which was used to create the anime photo, and now tap on that. Then go to the add photo section. First of all, we have to crop the photo in which ratio we have to correctly. So I am putting it in the left side, so I have given space in the left side only. So now let's go to add photo, and then take our cutted photo and place it as you want. Now you can see I adjusted very much, little bit. It is good, very good. Now your photo is ready. So follow for more.